have been busy working, I think for the last 2 or 3 weeks, and they've built up to the second floor, and they have all the rooms on the first floor framed. So I'm gonna take you on a little tour of our house. Thanks, so come along. So here is the hole for our front door. This area will actually be a loggia, so it will be covered, and then a balcony up top. And then this is our foyer. We're gonna have a beautiful arched window here, and then we have a little hall closet. And then in here is my office. I'm going to have 2 lovely French doors, and then a small closet, and then I'll have my printer in here and shelves. I'm going to be using the tile that I printed as chair rail, like up to chair rail height all the way around. So it's going to be a really beautiful and really fun place. Next up, we have our living room. This is going to be a really beautiful space. We've got arched windows on both sides. This door is supposed to be arched. And then we'll have our fireplace, and we're gonna have a big, like really big, beautiful light fixture. And then over here is the stairwell, and we're going to have iron screens that I'm going to have to figure out a design for, but so we'll have 3 screens, and yeah, it's going to be really the center of our home. We love entertaining, so we're really excited to be able to create this big, beautiful space for everyone to come over and hang out in. We have our kitchen. So this is going to be another pretty big space. We have an island that I think is supposed to go from about here to just a bit before that wall. So basically the length of this whole wall will be our island. We'll have the fridge here. We're going to have a nice big 48-inch range here, and then a wall oven over there. So yeah, this is going to be just like such a big, beautiful space to eat in. We'll have the nice big island. We've actually been joking, Clementine, when she gets excited for dinner, she runs laps around the island in our rental. And she'll do like 3 or 4, and you're like, she'll get lost halfway through and not remember what she was doing. It's so big. So really looking forward to this. And then over here, we have our pantry, which I'm very excited for. It is, giant. I can't even come close to touching either wall. So nice big space. And then in here we have this really beautiful gallery. I'm very excited about this space. This is one of the features that I absolutely love. So it's just going to be a wall of big windows with 2 doors. This will be our backyard, which will be a little courtyard. I think this is just such a beautiful feature and one of my favorite. I think it's going to be so lovely to walk down here. And then over here we have our dining room, which I'm also excited about. We're doing a pink ceiling in here, which I think is going to look so good. So it's going to be like pink and gold wallpaper with a pink ceiling. Yeah, this is going to look great. Perfect for entertaining all of our friends. in this kind of corner, this is like our mudroom area. So we have one large closet that'll be for like strollers or bins or things. And then in here, we're gonna have like cubbies with benches. We have two coat closets, another door to the side, and then we have our powder room will be in back here. So there's separation between the dining room, kitchen, living room, and the bathroom, which was one of our like must-haves. There's nothing worse than having to go to the bathroom in the middle of the dinner party and you're like, but everyone is right there. So separation, no one's gonna hear a thing. So we're in our backyard. It's going to be like a beautiful courtyard with arches. Up top, that's one of the like guest bedroom or children bedroom with the Juliet balcony looking out over it. I'm really excited for, 2 summers from now probably we'll be moving in and being able to have parties out here. I think it's just going to be a nice, really beautiful, peaceful space. So thank you all for coming on this little tour. Once the stairs get set up, I think I'll show you guys the upstairs and basement. They are going to be framing out the basement this week. So hopefully in a week or 2, I'll be able to show you the rest of the space.
To keep up with us, make sure you like and subscribe.